India's leading steel and engineering manufacturing group of companies, Nizon Group is an identity of elegance and standard today. All the manufacturing units of the group have been awarded ISO 9001-2008 certification from reputed accrediting agencies. Founded in 1981 with high standards, skills and determination, Nizon Group today is recognized as one-stop shop for all welded steel tubes. For Nizon Group, the drive for value-added products is realized through its fully integrated manufacturing facilities and stringent check at every stage. Nizon Tubes Limited, the flagship company of Nizon Group, was incorporated in the year 1981. The company is manufacturing different types of steel pipe, that is, MS black pipe, galvanized pipe, hollow steel section, that is, square and rectangular pipes. The products are being manufactured as per relevant BIS specifications only. The company is an ISO 9001-2008 certified company. The ISO certification is granted by the International Certification Body, DNV. The raw materials being used for the manufacturing of pipes are hot rolled coils as per IS 10748 are procured from Tata Steel. The company is procuring the hot rolled coils from Tata Steel for the last 25 years, and Nizon Group is one of the major customers of HR Coil of Tata Steel. Mr. T.V. Narendran, the present Managing Director of Tata Steel, has confirmed this in their in-house publication Tata Steel Times, the 25 years relationship with Tata Group.
Nizon Tubes Limited, it is a pioneer tube industry in India. We have got 5 production units, 2 in Calcutta, 2 in Guwahati and Barnihat, and 1 in Chennai. We are recently planning to come up a unit in Odisha also. Our production capacity is more than 25,000 per month, which is almost 250,000 to 3 lakh tons per year. And we want to enhance the capacity from 3 lakh ton to 4 lakh ton or more than that.
The manufacturing process of pipes is electric resistance welding. The process begins with the slitting of hot rolled coils having the approximate weight of 20 metric ton in desired width according to the size of pipes to be manufactured. After slitting, the slit coils are placed on revolving DE coiler, which pushes the slit coils to looping cage. From looping cage, slits are passed through forming section, which consists of group of vertical and horizontal roll sets. Through these rolls, the strip gets its round shape of pipes. After getting the round shape, the slits are passed through 300 kilowatt welding plant. In this case, the edge of the slits reaches its melting point and then squeezed between 2 squeezing rolls, the pipes are welded. To cut the pipes in desired length, those are passed through automatic cutting machine. If the pipes are required to be galvanized, then we galvanize the same in our hot dip zinc coating plant. We are galvanizing the pipes in 99.995 high-grade pure zinc being procured from Hindustan Zinc Limited. The pipes are galvanized in temperature of approximate 430 degrees centigrade to 450 degrees centigrade as per the requirement of IS 4736. After manufacturing the pipes, it passes through the testing process as per the requirement of BIS specification, that is, hydraulic, tensile, yield strength, zinc coating, etc. Each and every pipe of the company bears the ISI monogram, BIS license number, brand name of the company duly engraved at each and every meter of the pipes. Nizon products are so carefully monitored as to allow it to be traced back to the coil it was produced from and consequently the mill of origin. The pipes manufactured by the company are used for different purposes like GI pipe for drinking water supply, sinking of tube well, MS black pipe for firefighting, general engineering purpose, steel tubular poles, scaffolding, industrial sheds, furniture, hollow steel sections for prefab housing in hilly areas, towers, large span exhibition hall, bridges, footover bridges, hangars for aeroplane, airport terminals, office building, pedestrian guard railing, railway coaches and vehicular combustion pipes, etc. The company is registered with Directorate General Supplies and Disposal, New Delhi since last 30 years. Today, Nizone products are being used and approved by different government and semi-government organizations like State Public Health Engineering Department for drinking water supply schemes, irrigation departments, National Thermal Power Corporation, Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited, Railways, Airports Authority for making the new terminal buildings, Engineers India Limited in executing the trunky projects of oil refineries like Bharat Petroleum, Hindustan Petroleum, Numaligarh Refinery, etc. Mecon, the biggest engineering consultant for steel plant, Steel Authority of India Limited and Coal India Limited are utilizing our pipes. Larsen & Toubro Limited, CPWD, Border Security Force, Military Engineering Services are also among our valued customers. The company has a vast dealership network throughout India and specifically in Eastern and Northeastern region. In Northeastern region, the company has the dealership network in all the states like Assam, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Nagaland, Manipur and Tripura. In southern states also, a huge network of dealership has been developed. The landed cost of the product to the end user is very competitive due to locational advantage. The raw material sources are nearby and manufacturing facilities are located to the reach of the customers of Eastern and Northeastern region. The company is exporting their product to Australia, Singapore, Canada, Sri Lanka, Nigeria, Nepal, Bhutan and Bangladesh. The company has received various commendable Export Excellence Awards from Government of India. The turnover of the group as on 31st March 2016 was 1,513 crore. The company is running in profit and paying substantial amount of tax to the concerned state and central government departments. The company has also planned to include new manufacturing facilities in the state of Orissa to meet the demand of customers in the region. The history of Nizone is a history of determination and development. Nizone is the benchmark of customer satisfaction and it is the one-way destination for the quality steel tubes and pipes. The journey of Nizone is a long-standing journey that never ends.